Welcome back to Home Voyage Inspirations channel. In this video, we will explore how you can transform your outdoor space into a chic industrial retreat. Modern industrial design is all about embracing the beauty of raw, unfinished materials. Think exposed brick walls, steel beams, and concrete floors. It's a look that's both rugged and refined, perfect for creating an outdoor space that's as stylish as it is functional. Key elements of a modern industrial patio include durable materials like metal, wood, and stone. Furniture is often minimalist, with clean lines and a focus on functionality. Reclaimed wood adds warmth, while industrial lighting such as Edison bulbs and metal fixtures sets the mood. While industrial design can be stark, adding greenery brings life to the space. Potted plants, vertical gardens, and even succulents can soften the hard edges. For comfort, consider cushions, outdoor rugs, and throw blankets in neutral tones. Every great patio needs a focal point. In an industrial design, this could be a fire pit, a water feature, or even a statement piece of furniture. These elements draw the eye and create a cozy atmosphere, perfect for entertaining. Lighting is key to setting the mood on your patio. String lights, lanterns, and strategically placed spotlights can create a warm, inviting ambience. Whether you are starting from scratch or updating an existing space, modern industrial design offers endless possibilities. Remember, it's all about balance, mixing raw materials with cozy accents to create a space that's uniquely yours. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more design inspiration. Let us know in the comments how you're planning to incorporate industrial style into your patio. And see you in the next video.